In celebration of this year's International Day of the Girl Child, the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, Lasubeb, and the Lagos State Mothers Association organized this program aimed at giving the girl child a voice in the society. The chairman of the board, Honorable Wahab Alawiye King, said ending all forms of discrimination against the girl child will have a ripple effect in every area of the society.
As stakeholders in ensuring safe development of the girl child, we will continue to ensure proper education, healthcare, learning, and opportunities to young girls. We will continue to strengthen our institutions to ensure that girls are safe from gender-based violence and discrimination and have equal access to educational resources as much as boys.
He assured that the board will continue to provide equal access to education.
As a board, we recognize that government alone cannot do it. We are open to partnership and collaboration towards securing a positive future for our children, particularly the girl child. So let us join our effort to educate every girl and protect each one of them from the evils of teenage pregnancy, early marriage, and child labor.
The President, Mothers Association, and other mothers present emphasized the role of girls and women in the society.
We feel very important that the girl child most especially should be celebrated. Because without a woman in the community, the world is not complete. You know, the mother takes hold of every year, most especially, even up to the men. That is why we think it is worthy to celebrate.
We are very particular about the girl child education, and we're very particular about the boy child education as well too. In fact, in Lagos State as we speak, we have more boys out of school than girls. So we have worked over the years to ensure that every girl child is in school. And today, our Mothers Association are presently celebrating the girl child. And we're using this opportunity to say that every child is important. The girl child, the boy child, and in Lasubeb, we leave no child behind.
So charity begins at home. A girl child is very, very vital. It has a role to play in future because one day it's going to become a mother like us. So we need to let her know how to go about it. The technical know-how, the moral know-how, to make sure she's properly taken care of, to make sure that she doesn't do what she's not supposed to do.
They asked governments at all levels not to relent in training the girl child for the preservation of the nation's future. In another development, Lasubeb celebrated outstanding staff who represented the board at the 15th edition of the Lagos State Head of Service Games. The permanent board member in charge of co-curricular activities, Mrs. Sherifat Adedoyi, commended the Lasubeb team while urging them to do more.
This very occasion is to welcome them, to celebrate them, to appreciate them for a wonderful job done at the concluded HOS Games. They did wonderfully well, both the male team and the female team. Sporting activity is a good thing, and it is what should be encouraged. So to all our people, we want them to do more. We want them to participate in all games that will be put across come next year. So we wish them best of luck in every ramification.
Members of the Lasubeb sports team appreciated the chairman of the board for giving them the needed support.
I thank the governor, the head of service for this type of program, because it makes us to see us in a very big way. All the ministries will become one. So I thank him for doing that competition.
Like they used to say, every day is not Christmas. We have won the medal at least 7 times. And we even tried on the final day. It's only that the God of soccer was not on our side that day. So we appreciate them, and we know they are still going to perform better in the next competitions.
He has called all the 20 LGAs in Lagos State, all the ES and the sport officers to come together to bring out the best out of the best for this competition. We say a very thank you for bringing us together again this year to witness the HOS 2021 competition. And by God's grace, we are promising him, by come what next year, 2022, the
crop is coming back, both male and female, back to superb.
Commendation letters and cash gifts were presented to the athletes for their remarkable success at the competition.